Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is an online styling service. Fill out a style profile, send them $20. They'll curate a box of 5 items that try to cater to what you're looking for. They don't have unlimited inventory. They have a inventory just as like a store would. They also have a freestyle shop where you can go purchase things directly from there. I recommend everyone put items on their wish list. Go into freestyle, go into categories, and I particularly look at the new category, but you can also look at brands, some specific brands, and add things to your wish list. I have over 100 items added to my wish list. I got a style preview once my stylist picked out the items. Sometimes the stylist picks them out, sometimes the algorithm picks them out. So this time I picked 4 items for my preview. And why did I pick 4? Because they were all on my wish list. And guess what? The 5th one was on, when my stylist picked out, was on my wish list too. So everything you see in this box are things that I actually wanted. So I'm very excited to try these on and show them to you. I have the Style Pass. I don't know if they're going to renew me or not. It renews in July, so I can get unlimited fixes. I paid $49 for that. That $49 gets applied to whatever I purchase. That's long gone because I purchased plenty from Stitch Fix and Freestyle. So let's get into it. The first thing I wanted to show you is this earring. All right, I put it in one ear. This earring is the MARLYN SCHIFF in silver, the Deena drop earring for $40. I like these and I don't have anything like them. So that's why one's in my ear. I'll hold up the second one so you can see what it looks like here on the card. I am gonna keep these. These are something that I wanted. I know this style is kind of in now and I don't have anything like them at all. So, one win. The second item is this sweater. This is Aubree Fine Gauge crew neck sweater by 41 Hawthorn in white and obviously with black stripes. It's size extra small, $49. Not a bad price. This is 80% viscose, 20% nylon. It is super soft. Let me stand back. I really like this. I like a thin sweater to like layer things over. However, I'll be honest with you, I'm not fond of this crew neck. Some crew necks I can deal with. Other crew necks I don't like on me. I feel like I kind of have like a uniboob type of look up here. I prefer a V-neck or scoop neck or even like a turtleneck I think looks better. So this is going back. Another reason why it's going back, and I'll show you just now when I was putting it on, there's a hole right in the armpit already. So this is going to go back. Do like it though. I mean, it's a beautiful sweater. If it were like a scoop neck or a V-neck, I think I would return it for a different, non-damaged sweater. But the neckline on this, I just don't like the way this looks on me. I just not fond of the high crew neck. But I wanted to give it a try because you never know. All right, give me a minute because you're gonna have to help me with some other items. Okay, so the title of this video is a very yellow fix, and you're like, well, wait a second, Carolyn. The first 2 things you showed me aren't yellow. Well, here it goes. All right, first up is this top that I already own that I got years ago at White House Black Market. As you can see, it's this very pale yellow and like a taupey kind of color. I love this top. I do have a sweater I could wear over it, but I kind of feel it looks a little frumpy and kind of takes away from the style of the top. So I asked in my notes to send 1 of 3 jackets, and I got 2 out of the 3 jackets. So that's good. So now I can decide. So the first item that she sent me is this Skies Are Blue blazer. So you can see it's yellow. Now what you probably can't tell, and I can tell here, is that there's gold thread running through it too. So it has, you can see it a little bit. So there is like some sort of sparkle in this. This is the Skies Are Blue Tweed Blazer in yellow, extra small, $88. So like my thinking was, let me try this blazer with this top and see if I can give myself a different look. Okay, so that was my first thought. Okay, so give me a minute. I'm going to try this on and you're going to tell me what you think about it. Okay, first up is the Skies Are Blue blazer with a top that I already own. So like I said, I was looking to add more yellow to my wardrobe. I do have a yellow cardigan, which I'll show you in just a minute, but I kind of felt it looked a little frumpy and thought maybe this would give myself a little bit of style and pizzazz. So I like the fit of it. It has the ruched sleeves. It is tweed. It is lined here on the inside, but not on the sleeves. It's a soft, comfortable material, no issues with it. Like it. Do I love it? I'm not so sure, to be honest with you. The gold thread in it kind of threw me for a loop. I wasn't expecting that. But other than that, I would say it's a nice little blazer. All right, give me a minute. Let me put on the sweater I already own and let me know, you guys let me know what you think. Okay, this is the sweater that I already own that I would wear with this top, but I think it kind of like brings the top down and makes it look way more casual than it is versus dressy. I'm not so sure that sweater, that blazer's for me, or you gotta let me know. What do you think? Did that blazer really go, wow, that looked like a great outfit? Or is this just as good of an outfit as that blazer? That's what I'm trying to understand. Like, what makes it go, wow, that's a great outfit, Carolyn? And I'll be looking at the footage myself to try and make that determination. And I'm not so sure that blazer is a wowzer, but I'll look. All right, give me a minute because I got more options here. She sent me lots of choices. Okay, the next option, which is I think mostly what I'm going to be dealing with here, not 100% positive. This is the Liverpool Utility Cargo Crop, Liverpool Trucker Jacket with elastic back, gold, they're calling it extra small, $119. So definitely more than that $88 skies are blue. So this is a good length in me in the arms. I could roll it up, which I'll do on one sleeve here just so we can get the idea. I'm wondering if this jacket might be too casual with this top. I'm not sure. Again, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect with this top, and I might not even find anything to go with this top and just stick to the yellow cardigan. But I just generally want to add a little bit more yellow to my wardrobe. And this is definitely like I would call this color maize, to be honest with you. So here it is, one rolled up. I'll keep one down, okay? There are slash pockets here on the side, and of course, working pockets up here, patch pockets up on the top. And it's buttons. Let's see if I can button it. Not that I would ever button this, but let's see if I can. Oh yeah, plenty of room to button. Plenty of room. It has an elastic back, which gives you some kind of waist definition, which I like. So what do we think of this jacket? Do we like it? Do we like it with this top? Not so sure. Let me look back at the footage and I'll take a look. And again, it doesn't have to be with this top, but I might get this jacket depending on what it looks like on me. All right, give me a minute because I have matching yellow pants too. So I kept on the jacket that she sent me and I paired them with my top that I already own and the pants which she sent me too. Again, these were all on my list. She knew I was looking to add yellow to my wardrobe, so she basically picked things from my saved items list that were yellow to give me options. So what do I have here? These are the Liverpool Utility Crop Cargo Pant in yellow. So now this one they're calling yellow, but they're calling the jacket gold. But they're the same exact color, aren't they? Yeah, they're the same color. How funny. All right, in yellow, and they're $109. So yeah, they're cropped, but barely on me. There is an adjuster you can do here at the bottom to make the bottoms tighter. They're cargo here at the pant right here, and they have the slash pockets in front, and they have real patch pockets here in the back. Very comfortable, very soft. I didn't look at the material. I can tell you the material of the jacket. Let's see, the jacket is 53% cotton, 44% viscose, 3% elastane. So very, very nice soft quality. The pants feel the same, but I'll look at what the pants are made out of after this to let you know. So what do you think? I don't think I would wear this all together. I think I would look like a banana walking down the street, but I do like the pants, but I don't think I can justify yellow pants and the yellow jacket. So I think I'm leaning towards just the jacket right now. Give me a minute. I have one more idea that I want to show you. And yes, I just showed you 5 items, I believe. I showed you the tweed blazer, the yellow pants, this cargo jacket, the earrings, and the top. But I purchased a pair of pants from Nordstrom, and I want to see how that looks with this jacket. Give me a minute. Okay, this part of me is just plain dress up and not really anything to show you new. This jacket is from Skies Are Blue, and I got it years and years and years ago, probably 2018, one of my first Stitch Fixes. I also highly recommend this blazer. This usually gets rolled up as a half sleeve. It's like a soft scuba material, really stretchy. I paired it with a pair of Liverpool pants. They're a pull-on style that I just recently showed you that I got in my Nordstrom haul. However, Stitch Fix now has the same pants. If you haven't checked out Stitch Fix's new inventory, they actually got a lot of new stuff in. But yeah, these are from Nordstrom, and it's like a yellow and a gray, and I wanted to see what this kind of looked like with this blazer. Figured while you're all here tuning in, why not? And then I can look back at the footage myself and see what it looks like. So this was an idea I had. Another idea I had is to actually pair it with this yellow jacket. But you're gonna have to tell me, is it too matchy-matchy? As my friend Teresa Renee says, it kind of dates you when you start, doing these super matchy sets. Do I look like I'm wearing like, Granimals, those little outfits for little kids that we had growing up? So it is from the same Liverpool line. Yes, it's yellow and yellow. Is it too much, and is it too cutesy, matchy, and am I better off wearing just like a denim jacket with this or the gray blazer? So this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to see if I kept these, or I am keeping these pants. What else can I wear this jacket with other than that yellow top or a white top? How else can I style this? So I'm trying to think outside the box, because I do want to add more yellow to my wardrobe. Not sure exactly what I want. Let me know in the comments below. Would you go for this yellow jacket? Or would you go for the yellow blazer? Or even maybe the yellow pants? I don't know. Definitely keeping the earrings out of this. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. If you hung out this far, congratulations. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Give me that thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. And please enjoy your day.